Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I'm recording an HDR, whatever that means. I really don't know. It sounds good, so I guess we'll see if that's helpful. Anyways, here's what we have. We've got some Paldo Lime Lobster King Noodle Angry Lobster. So here is what you see. You see that because that's what you see. And I see snow and the possibility of a lot more of it coming. Second snow day for Miles. And my son Andy, who lives about 50 miles north up in Stanwood. I think that was his first. I don't know exactly how much snow they got. I sent him a congratulatory text message saying, dude, congratulations, you've got a snow day. Which is pretty rad. I know when I was a kid, the snow day was a thing of wonder and amazement. And the only bummer for him is he has to make it up at the end of the year. And I think probably Miles is going to be happy. He loves going to school, so... Miles is really into school, so I don't think he's so bummed about that. Yeah. But yeah, there's snow, and a lot of it, and a lot more coming. And it's cold. This morning it was, 24 degrees. Earlier it said it was, 25 degrees, feels like 20. Up where my folks live in Anacortes, it was 21 degrees, feels like 10. Yeah. Too cold. Way too cold. But yeah. I'm doing a bunch of like time-lapse stuff and I don't know. The camera that you're watching me through right now has got this nice time-lapse mode on it. But I also have the stroller cam. I can pop it on a tripod or whatever, and I'll just do long format recording, and then I'll import that and then speed it up. I did that. I think that'll be at the end of this video, so you can see that. And I believe that originally was like 4 hours of video crunched down to 22 seconds. So yeah. Yeah, man. It's cold in here. It's just been really cold. I don't know what else to say. Except I do need the fish balls. Fish balls are funny. And they're fishy in their goodness. Those right there. Fish balls are at the ready. So I'm wearing my Paldo hat because these are Paldo noodles. See what I'm doing there? Yeah. I don't know, I've been asking all these companies, do you have a hat, do you have a shirt, this and that. There's more, I think there's more hats and shirts coming. That's pretty cool. Oh, I like that a lot. It's nice. And, but it's cold. It's really cold. Let's see, right now it says it's 27 degrees. I don't know what it feels like, but I'll tell you what, it feels cold. I'll leave it at that. It makes me wonder though, because there's the people that are like, they'll try like 2x spicy. And it's hot. That's not spicy hot noodle. To deny that is ridiculous. And then of course you've got like a throng of dudes that are like, dude, that's not even hot. I can't even taste it. It's not even hot. It's like, come on. The only reason you're eating it is because it's spicy. Or, I mean, you know what I mean. That's like the main reason you're eating it. You like spicy food. If it wasn't spicy, you wouldn't be eating it. Full. It's just like a whole... I don't know. It's silly. I will be one to say when I've done all the mukbangs that I've done and been able to scarf down that 2x stuff, even the one that was the least spiciest, it was still spicy. I just don't understand why people have to be so like, yeah, not even spicy. I can't taste it. It's like, yeah, you can. You can just handle it. And that's fine. So can I. Actually, lately I've been having trouble handling lots of heat. Anyways, this is lime lobster flavored noodle. So let's give this a taste. Let's scooch you back a little bit. Scooch, scooch. You're getting all fogged up. That's warm. I will say, I like that aspect of what I do very much. It's really cold, but this is nice and warm. I'm kind of a little bit of heat to it. Here's the broth. That's pretty good. It's definitely got a lime hit to it. I'm definitely getting that lime. Kind of a lime seafood kind of thing going on. It's alright. Yeah. In fact, I do believe I'd like to have another bite of the lime lobster noodle. Yeah. I will say I enjoy that. Now I got these fish balls I'm dropping in this one today. These are dodo fish balls. They are just fish balls. They're not the shrimp and fish. I'm using those for something else. But those definitely need to be used. Alright, here we go. lot of seaweed. There we go. Little bits and pieces. Trying to move those around a little bit. And it's just like, I don't know, I gotta get rid of some of this just like last time. Because it's tough with bowl presentation versus king cup presentation, I suppose. Alright. Time to visit the Eggist. My buddy Matt and I used to light up our cigarettes back when we smoked cigarettes. And we'd say, thank you, tobacconist. Alright? I say, it's time to visit the Eggist. The egg. It's the thin-shelled ovum of the domestic fowl, the whitest of the white. There's a whole thing. There's a movie that you may have seen, may not have seen. Where are my damn scissors? Holy goddamn chicken! It's called Pink Flamingos. It's a John Waters movie, and if you've never seen it, do yourself a favor. Get Pink Flamingos, sit down with your family, and enjoy an evening of fascination. It's really a weird movie. John Waters' Baltimore scene is just like really weird. It has who is it? Divine is in it, and yeah, you just need to see it. Definitely. It's one of the more odd films I've ever seen in my life. But there's the Eggman. Edith Massey's in it. She's weird. They're all pretty weird folk. Not bad weird. Just weird. Baltimore looks like it's a pretty strange place. So... But yeah, Pink Flamingos. Another one is called Desperate Living. If you can get that one's great. It's like this one lady. What's her name? Mink Stoll. I think that's her screen name. Anyway, she's like, somebody calls the wrong number. So blah, 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 blah. You've called the wrong number. Sorry. How am I gonna get back the blah, blah, blah minutes of my life? And she like screams at people like, I need to be treated with therapeutic courtesy. Because she's all crazy and stuff. It's just, yeah, you really just need to look it up. But like Hairspray, that's like new crap. I'm not into anything. He did a movie called Pecker. That was really good. I did like that. I'm a fan of what's her face. She was good in that. But yeah. Speaking of what's her face, I can't think of her name right now. But she's in a movie called Buffalo 66, and that is one of my absolute favorite films of all time. Anyways, it's time for Rotato to go on your magic journey. I hope you're ready for this. Here we go. The Ramen Raider.